Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your productivity, creativity, and overall digital life in 2024. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about AI tools. The AI boom is here, and I'm about to show you the top 5 AI tools you absolutely need to use in 2024. Stick around because you won't want to miss number 1, it's an absolute game changer. Number 1, ChatGPT 4 or 5 by OpenAI. We have to kick things off with ChatGPT, one of the most versatile tools in the AI world. Whether you're writing, coding, brainstorming, or even looking for some advice, ChatGPT has your back. With its expanded knowledge and creative writing abilities, it's the ultimate AI companion for professionals, students, and creators. It's like having a 24/7 assistant. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to draft your emails, automate your brainstorming process, or even get instant solutions for coding challenges. Use ChatGPT for writing blog posts, coding assistance, and quick Quanda sessions. Number 2, MidJourney, AI art. Next up, for all the creatives out there, we've got MidJourney. If you've ever wanted to create mesmerizing artwork but lack the skills, this is your tool. It takes simple text prompts and turns them into breathtaking visual art, perfect for artists, marketers, or even hobbyists who want to impress their audience. Fun fact, did you know MidJourney even won several art competitions against human competitors? Use MidJourney for digital art, marketing visuals, book covers, and logos. Now let's talk about video. If you're into content creation but don't always have the time to appear on camera, Synthesia is your best friend. This tool lets you create professional-looking videos using AI-generated avatars. Just type your script, choose your avatar, and boom, instant video content. Perfect for business presentations, tutorials, and even social media. And guess what? Synthesia offers multilingual support, so if you want your videos in French, Spanish, or even Japanese, it's just a click away. Use Synthesia for explainer videos, corporate presentations, e-learning modules. Alright, here's a tool that's going to change how you edit videos. Runway ML. Imagine removing backgrounds, creating special effects, or upscaling video quality with a few clicks. Runway ML uses machine learning to make video editing faster and more intuitive than ever. No need to master complex editing software anymore. With its in-painting tool, you can even remove objects from videos seamlessly. Trust me, if you're into video production, Runway ML is going to blow your mind. Use Runway ML for quick video edits, background removal, enhancing video quality. Finally, let's talk marketing. Jasper AI is the ultimate tool for businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs. It can write engaging product descriptions, social media posts, blogs, and more, all optimized for SEO. If you're looking to up your marketing game or just save time creating content, Jasper's got you covered. Want to scale your business? Use Jasper to automate your entire content creation process, from ads to blogs, so you can focus on what really matters. Use Jasper for content marketing, social media posts, blog writing. So there you have it. The top 5 AI tools you should be using in 2024. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to streamline your workflow, these tools are going to make a huge impact. So go ahead, try them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to use. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips and AI reviews coming your way. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.